What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are here at an investment property that we recently purchased. We're in the middle of rehabbing so that we can put it up for rent. I want to give you guys a tour of this place and show you some of the upgrades that we made, some of the tile work that's being done right now. It's coming together really nicely. Keep in mind, it is a construction site, so it's a little bit messy, but believe it or not, we're hoping to get this thing done by the end of February, God willing. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of this place right now. If you guys like this stuff, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and I'll do constant update videos as this place comes together. But yeah, let's go ahead and walk around this place, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Now, the reason I showed you guys a tour of this place is because you guys know my channel is revolved around cars, real estate, and I tampered in golf a little bit. But I'm going to definitely drill down on real estate and cars. And one of the ways I'm planning on purchasing my dream car is through investment properties like this. So the idea is to buy these and have these pay for the toys, the supercars, things like that. So if you guys are interested in supercars, real estate investing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We are close to 35,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that support. Okay, so what we're working with here is a condo that's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. As soon as you walk in through the front door, behind it is a small powder room. So this is the half bath. Here's what it looks like right now. Didn't make too many changes in here. Obviously, we replaced the tile. We ripped out the old stuff. We got some new nice tile going in. It's actually right there. So that's gonna go right there. It's gonna look really nice. We got a pretty cool LED mirror going on the wall right here. And then nothing too crazy, just a vanity and toilet will go there, obviously. So that's what that looks like right now. Coming out of the powder room, we've got a nice little coat closet right when you walk in through the front door. And the place used to have hardwood floor on top of this subfloor. We ripped out all the old hardwood because there was some areas that had damage. So we're going with a luxury vinyl, which I think will be a nice finish on this place. We're putting down plywood on top of the subfloor, so it'll give it a nice cushion when you walk. But this area is the living room. Like I said, it's kind of packed and crammed in here, but I just wanted to give you guys a video now and kind of an update video later once this place comes together. But we basically have all the appliances and kitchen cabinetry right here. It's kind of packed right now, but here's what it looks like. We got a nice little accent wall right there where the TV and electric fireplace are gonna go. Coming around this way, you got a nice good sized kitchen. This is the tile that we chose. It actually just went in today and I'm super excited about it. Looks really nice. These tiles are massive. They're about 3 feet long, which is really cool. We got nice white cabinetry going in here. So you'll get the stove, kitchen, so you get the stove, the dishwasher and sink, and then the fridge is gonna go somewhere right here. And then we're thinking of putting kind of like a bar area right here. That's why we made the tile work kind of go off the kitchen, which I think was a nice touch. So we're gonna have like a bar area here that you can sit, have a quick bite or do some work or anything like that, which I think will look really nicely. Coming along this way, you've got the full bath right here. So this place used to have a tub. We ripped that out and did a nice stand-up shower with a pretty cool seat right there. So this is also coming together nicely. Coming out of the bathroom, you get the first bedroom right here. Now, these are pretty nice sized bedrooms here. One of the major upgrades that we made to this place is actually putting these can lights. Hold on, I'll show you guys in a second, but you get the dual closets here, which is nice. Plenty of closet space. Let me go back out to the living room. I want to show you guys the can lights real quick. So this entire unit used to not have any of these lights in the ceiling. They used to have floor lamps on like light switches. So you'd have to go to a light switch, flip it on, and then your floor lamp would come on. This place completely transformed once we put in these nice LED lights all over. So it's super bright in here and half of them are still missing. We're waiting to connect them. So once those are all in, it'll really pop. Then here is the second bedroom. Again, 2 closets. You got one here, one on that side. And then here is the bedroom itself. And that is the tour of the property. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick tour of our rental property. If you guys want to see update videos, let me know in the comment section down below and I will be sure to update you guys. We're hoping to get the tile work done over the weekend. as well as start to install kitchen cabinets as well as the floor. So this place is really going to come together in the next couple of weeks. So again, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see update videos on this property. If you guys have any questions about real estate investing or this property specifically, let me know in the comment section down below. Obviously, I'm not an expert or a guru. I don't have a course to sell you or anything like that. But anything I do know and anything that I learned along the way, I will share with you guys so that you guys can benefit from it as well. Also, I want to motivate you guys to be able to get to a level where you can purchase a investment property and better your life as well as your family's life. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. And like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I will do my best job to answer those questions for you. So that's going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Guys, don't forget, don't be average. I'll see you guys in the next video.